This is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete Instagram message requests. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Instagram is one of the most widely used social media application in the world. It is not only used for sharing photos, videos, and reels, but it also provides a platform for business. Users don't get notified when they receive a hidden message request on Instagram. Your hidden word preference will control whether content behind messages are displayed in a hidden request folder or if they are offensive, unwanted, or contain spam. And in this video, we'll show you how to delete the message request on your Instagram. So first of all, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can just go to your DMs section and you'll find there is some option request. If you receive request message on your Instagram, you will see there's like notification on the request. You can just tap on that. So here's your request message. You can read the message first, maybe if you want to read the message before you delete it. After that, you can just tap on delete on here. Or maybe you have a lot of message requests and you want to delete all the message requests at once. You can just choose on delete all on here. Now you can just tap on delete. So the message request will be removed from your message request section on your DM. It's so simple, right? So that is how to delete message requests on your Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!